Hello and welcome. So now we are going to make another game which is a color game. So I was not sure like what to name to this game, so I just name is a color game. So let me just show you what is the final game would look like. So this is what a game would look like. So we have a different color here. From here we can start the game and here there is a score. So score would be incrementing if you click the right ball. So here the game is starting in 3 2 1 0. So as you can see, the game is started. Now you need to click this button. So if red means red, the score is 1, yellow, and then there you go. So whatever ball is shown in this main window, you need to press that button. So as you can see, I'm not able to make that speed. Okay, let's see. So as you can see, my score is 8 out of 25. So out of 26 ball, I could score only 8. Let me just complete this as fast as I can. So basically that was the game. You just need to press any color button, whatever ball is shown in that window area. So we are going to implement this game from the next video onwards. So we'll see you in the implementation part of this game.